Welcome to JH. Here is how to manage green screen footage in Premiere Pro 2023. As you can see, I have a green screen animation that needs to be blended with this Spider-Man video. To begin, select your green screen clip and head over to the Effects panel. Type Key into the search bar, then locate the Color Key effect and drag it onto your clip. Now, use the eyedropper icon to select the green color directly from your video. Once the color is picked, you must adjust the color tolerance. By dragging this value to the right, you can control how much of the green background is removed. If the edges appear too sharp, use the edge thin setting to trim the borders. Setting this to around +2 usually helps eliminate any leftover green fringe. The most vital step is adjusting the edge feather, which blurs the edges to create a smoother, more natural look. Play the video back to check your results. If necessary, fine-tune the edge feather and color tolerance slightly more. That is the process for handling green screens in Premiere Pro 2023. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. See you later.